guys, we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. Ooh. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm building a backup set of wheels for the FC, so I hit up 3Ps and they sent me these really nice 5-inch outers. So I was online and actually found out a friend of mine was selling a pair of SSR's Eagle Strosses. So I picked them up for him. They're really weak. The tires were really bad, so that's why I got these. And now I'm gonna attempt to build my first set of wheels. I mean, super hard already because everything's rusted, but it shouldn't be too hard, hopefully. So you can see right now, these things are baby specs. And we're putting these things on it. And as it is right now, they are staggered. I think these might be like 9.5s and these might be like 9s, I'm not sure. You can see the difference on them. But yeah, FC's about to have a fresh new set of wheels so I can go drift with it when I get back to California.
Can you pull your pants up?
Huh?
Your underwear's got butt sweat. Can you pull your pants up?
Yeah, what? Alright, so you can see this thing got little babies, and we're going to these now. So yeah, it won't be too big of a difference, but it'll definitely look way cooler. Getting a little better at taking tires off. That was like pretty easy compared to the rears. The rears were 215, 35, 18. So it was like kind of shitty. But got all the tires off, got all the faces off. The hardware is kind of like, one wheel actually had chrome instead of gold plated, so not sure what I'm gonna do yet. And right now I'm looking into it because when I bought these, I knew they were like kind of a little messed up, but you can see like they're like, it's chipped here. It's chipped there, so now I'm trying to decide whether I should just get these recoated, like re-chromed, or just run them and not care. But we'll see. But cannot wait. I just gotta wait till my friend comes. He's actually gonna split the barrels for me, and then sandblast these, get them all painted nicely, and start putting it back together. Hopefully, like in 2-3 days. We'll see. So today, we're cutting the outer lips off the SSR's Eagle Strosses. I did all 3 of them, kind of like I was like learning as I went. First one was like really shitty, second one was like alright, third was like fucking perfect. So now the fourth one should come out without ease. So see, first and second ones were like this. Didn't cut it right at the well where I was supposed to, ended up cutting basically the mounting plate off the outer lip, and then I had to keep grinding on the barrel to take off the plate. Third one was on the money. You can see I basically just cut the well right at the lip so I can just take it off easily without damaging the inner lip. So we have this one that I have to finish. You can see the weld goes all across the wheel. So the whole thing is that you have to like get it almost right at the middle but closer to the outer. And I started cutting straight down, and then when it's a little down, we have enough to hold the blade in. I will just angle it like 15 degrees in towards the outer lip, so it cuts like this pretty much, and it cuts right at the weld. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. It's gonna be the last one. And after that, to basically sandblast these lips and hardware and sealing goods here, 5 different 3Ps, so I can have new wheels to drive around with. I'm using aluminum cutoff wheels, so they're not just a regular cutoff wheel. Because right when it chunks up with the aluminum, it breaks apart and can cut you. So if you're gonna do this, get the aluminum ones. So you can see, got it again perfectly right at the well. You see this lip is fucked up. You see how I cut it, but look at the inside one. It's perfect. It still has like everything. Just the well just barely got hit. So perfect outer lip. I mean perfect inner lip to go with that lip now. Yeah, you see that cut was like perfect pretty much. Not bad. Now I know how to build wheels, even though I won't do it again because shit sucks. I just gave my boys a 3-piece to help me out next time. But I'm in Virginia, so might as well just knock it out myself instead of waiting to get back there. But yeah, 3-piece. I appreciate you guys a lot. This sucks. I know you guys have cool machines to do it, but by hand, it sucks. So the next step now is to actually clean off basically the little lip that it has. You can see my fingers catching on it. So clean that all around the whole wheel, and I'm using this flapper disc. So using this flapper disc, just basically just I sand it at an angle and then sand it flat, so basically it looks like it never had anything welded to it. Sandblast it and wait till Friday to put it together, coming together slowly. That perfectly finished now. Okay, so here's another step that you have to do also. So the rear, the inner barrel, you see has like basically where you fill up the tire. So it goes around the wheel. And one thing you can't forget to do is to cut that hole on the new barrel. The new one actually doesn't have any of those holes, so you have to end up, what I've been doing is I just put the face into the barrel, and when it's lined up, which is right there, you can see the hole is blocked out. So I have to cut that off so it clears that and the wheel can stay flat pretty much. Super easy to do. I do with a little die grinder tool. It takes like not even like 3 or 4 seconds. So I'm gonna cut that out real quick, bolt this up, and then put it out and wait till Friday. So you just cut out now. So when I put it into the older barrel, it clears right there, and now I can just put the face on it. That's it. So I think this was the last rear one. You can see the other ones are already done. So we got new wheels. Just gotta order new tires because I didn't measure right, so I got small tires thinking these were gonna be like 9.5 and 10 or 10.5 10, and they're 10.5 11, so they might fit. We'll see. So we're gonna order new tires and then test fit. Hopefully it fits, because if not, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. We'll see. Hopefully. Pray for me. I'm an idiot. Got a package today from 3-piece. I was talking about how shitty the hardware was. Like this. See how crappy it looks? So they decided to hook me up and send me this. Look at this. Would you look at this? You just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at this. So I got the hardware. I mean, I got the nice. So I got the nice gold hardware and brand new nuts. So I got a bag of nuts from Pedro, as well as the silicone they recommended me, so I can actually seal this up without having them leak, and some cool stickers. That's my knife. Really cool stickers and a shirt. Let me see. Look at that thing. Oh, it's upside down. Ooh. So yeah, I'm gonna put these together. I already ordered some tires for them. They should be here in 2 days, so it gives me plenty of time to clean these up, pull the hardware out and torque it nicely, and then put the silicone and let them dry, and then see how they're gonna fit in the car. Hopefully they fit, because I kind of messed up and I ordered the lips a little too big. Alright, so I got my box of bolts from 3Ps. I'm about to start putting the wheels together. I already cleaned them. If you saw last time I was working on them, I was cleaning the inners so they came out really smooth. So I just cleaned them up with a cloth and brake cleaner, so everything's good to go. So all you pretty much are doing is just putting those together, putting the face on it and torquing them, and after they're torqued, then you put the silicone on them. So this is already clean, so you gotta match the hole for the filler tube. So line it up. Once it's lined up, got the face, line up that hole too, to there without scratching your shit. Probably scratched it, but whatever. But yeah, once it's all lined up, then start putting bolts on it. So I got all the bolts lined up. So it's time to put these on there. So I got all the hardware put on. You can see it's still a gap. So now I have to tighten these. I have to tighten them first and then torque them to 23 foot-pounds with the torque wrench. And it takes forever. I already done 3 of them, so you can see. And it takes forever. It's kind of boring, so I'm just gonna fucking do it and I'll show you. I'm just gonna put them together real quick and go to the next step.
You finished?
I got one more, dude.
Fucking slow, babe. I'm coming slow.
Guy talks a lot of shit when you have the camera out, but it's super quiet the whole time.
Hey, that's part of the life.
Alright, so all sealed up, and I just gotta let it sit for 2 days and then mount the tires on it. Well, it's cool for now.